Let's see what we got here.
Hang on, man.
No, it's this one.
There you go. No. There you go. I think so. And so.
What is it, you? What is it, you?
Wonder how this box works.
Oh, well, that is weird.
Alright, I got it right on here, maybe.
Guys, come down.
This thing's sharp,
Come down a
Jimmy.
little bit. I'm doing a video. Yeah, it's really sharp. Watch your fingers. There you go. Daddy's toys.
This one. Yep. Without cutting the cardboard. This might be mommy's.
Aw.
Wait a minute. Nah, Tech Rabbit says right on there. That mommy be like, why'd you open my package?
Look, Yo's getting bored.
Yeah.
It takes too long. Guys. Let's see.
Uh-oh. There it is.
Look at that.
There it is, Yoke.
You got me a bebop? Is that
Wow.
what it is, a bebop?
Yeah. Let's see, man. There's the main thing, man.
Is there a sticker on the camera saying that?
Yeah, that goes like that.
Okay. Like a real camera, like an actual video camera recorder.
Is it heavy?
Not super heavy, you know. It's not. Oh,
Whoa! Get the coffee.
wow. Got that on film?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, just put it up on top of that thing, Jim. Wow. Nice and hot.
I did not get that on film.
Can I put that in there?
No, that's
Leave it
good.
like that for now. Don't burn yourself.
Wow.
What's Daddy got, Luke? What is it? What is it?
Put the fire?
He got somebody else's video in the back.
That's the battery right there.
That's
That's a battery. Two batteries.
Batteries. There's not a third one over there?
No, not three. That's different, like things for wall adapters. Yep.
American.
Adapter collectors. Oh, yeah.
We got that plug that works.
Oh, for different places in the world, yeah.
Yeah.
Japan, UK.
I already got the app downloaded.
Now, how can you make sure that does it work?
This?
As long as you sync it.
I won't be able to tell until I get my app out. I'm going to see if it powers
The
up.
app works. That's what I mean.
Yeah.
You're only going to be able to fly it with the tablet, aren't you?
For right now, till Monday.
Yeah, the other one comes in on Monday. He gets a controller for it.
I just want to use my
I'd be afraid to fly it with this.
Yeah. That's not suggested you fly it far.
Indoor flight.
And what are we playing? We're playing Raku. Mom, what are you doing?
You're on board now. Your
How
car was
about
all
box
something good.
opening?
Your
Yeah,
car
you
was
don't
like.
need to record
Your
us
car was
for
like
that long.
Christmas.
Powers up.
Nice.
Yeah. Wow.
A lot smaller than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, it's small, man. I don't know if it needs registration or not.
Is it feel
That's the
it's not
charge.
heavy? Is it heavy?
Nah, it's not that heavy. Not even with the battery. It's heavier than, I think, like a
You
toy
still have
grade
that
one.
scale
That's
line in here, John?
I have a scale of yours here?
I don't know if I left it here or if it's at my house.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
You have that over here?
So it's a refurb, so limited warranty, still warranted and all
What, a year or so,
by the
or-
company. Refurb by the company. little bit of instructions. Got the instruction on the box, which is cool.
Yep. I got that already. I looked into that.
So that's the US. I'm gonna put the US plug on there for charging. Yeah, Yoke. Don't worry, Yoke. We're still gonna go fishing.
You seen that? You heard that?
There we go. So we got that. We got that. Everything came in one piece. Wasn't too bad.
What drawing are you use to fish with?
What do you mean?
What drawing are you going to use to fish with? To put a line in the water?
No, I'm not gonna do that. They make it. You got to get the uddle, I guess. The cord. We're gonna put this on because we're gonna fly it in the house. What do you think? Fly it right into the air?
How are you?
Well, try to, because
Yeah.
I still got you going on video.
So
I want the first
you want to
flight.
grab my tablet over there, Jim, on top of my desk? So that. There we go. Put it on out like that. On like that.
Don't worry about putting the actual video on for this first flight, though.
Why? Just leave it on. That's what I'm gonna do.
I'm leaving it on my phone. I
It's
just
only got like a quarter battery.
That? Yeah, that's fine. That's enough.
He thought that shit was one of them.
What do you
think-
kill the battery on that before you charge it?
This?
Yeah.
Nah, I haven't really killed it yet since I charged it the first time.
Yeah, try not to. Because that was giving me a problem if you let it die.
Alright, so you turn the
That was
light.
the one, right?
Oh, whoa, whoa,
Oh, no,
whoa.
it was the Nook. No, it wasn't
It's like
that. It was
this.
the Nook.
So you turn this on first.
Shark dude as a child.
Alright, like,
Might have to do like a level calibration or something crazy, but we'll
put it on
see.
the floor.
See if I find it. Wi-Fi on.
Stop.
See if it finds it.
Keep on being louder, okay? Just stop. I'll be louder if you keep on doing that, Jim.
Bebop. Open.
Huh?
Bebop. Connect.
Oh, I wasn't going to actually get
No,
on
that's
that.
alright.
It's hard to do screen to screen.
Checking the quality internet connection. Bebop connected.
Nice.
Then we usually close this out. Let me,
Keep it warm.
there we go. Free flight.
What were you doing? It's a drive.
Is that what you have to put?
There it is. United States. That's us. Okay.
This girl can take over the body.
Loki doesn't have face at all.
He's a child. That means that you have children. It means that children.
First started selling these
Oh yeah, when he was up. Yeah, and he's skinnier when he was a child.
I can't see him.
Oh my god, I can throw loads at you.
Video for you?
Take these loads.
Oh, wait a second. Let's see something.
You want me to put it on the ground?
Nah, not yet.
You picked him too?
There it is. Look, the feed.
Oh, snap.
Oh, here we go.
All right, it's got a so. You see how I'm trying to move that around, and it ain't like. Look.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. There's nothing like really.
Right up to my face. See how fast it goes.
Quick.
It don't want to go to your face. Like it wants to stay straight.
It's a little lag on it, but that's still
Alright,
good.
let's get our first flight up. Come on.
All right.
I want to keep it under 15 minutes here. On my phone.
All right. Grab this box. Come on, yo.
Grab the box.
Watch that
Watch
battery.
the charger.
All right, man. Let's see what happens. I don't know if I can do a first flight, but we'll try. All right.
Stop bothering me.
It's on.
Does she really just like roses?
Might make me do an update.
Wait, why am I doing roses?
Plugs right into the wall and it charges it?
Yeah, you can unplug it.
Yeah, you know, and what's her, and it's,
Yeah, you don't
something
have
that
to
you
plug or
can
anything. That's really neat.
surround. Check me
Dad,
out,
Luke's real excited over there.
And now look friends when they grow up. Floyd's best friends when they grow up.
Yeah, Luke is excited.
You're really
So, whoa, yoke.
Oh, you realize you're
just wants to see it.
Calibrate, okay. Alright.
Oh, we love you too, buddy.
Calibrate. Please calibrate your drone. You will need to calibrate the drone by the drone to fly outdoors. Calibrate. All right.